Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and this is an intraday video. We're gonna see what happened today, what it might happen in the next few hours. So today was a deep analysis and we saw several scenarios. In the highest possibility, we were looking of course for a wave A from here, right, to get a wave A exactly here. But don't forget that this is simply still can be an extension for a wave 5 here to finish a 1 2 3 4 and a 5, where you have potentially 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. So we have to be careful, of course. We cannot say of course that it's directly an impulse. We still of course anyway in a formation of a wave 3. Yeah, so if we are in an impulse here, this one, this option that we were looking at it, we are in 1 2 3 4 and a 5 potentially. Now it can have finished a wave 5 here for a wave 3, right? And you already got a wave 4 here for the wide scenario. But look at this wave 2, very large wave 2, very shallow wave 4, which reduces so much the possibility, right? I see it as of course still looking for a wave a 5 or a wave 4 later on. Yeah, so I don't still see like this correction as a wave 4 for this impulse as a wave 2 here. I see that this correction belongs of course to this area here. You have 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 potentially to finish of course a major wave 5. Now it might reach of course the 1.618 where you would like to see anyway a wave 3. Yeah, so this is what I see. I was expecting of course maybe getting back already here for a major wave 4, at least to match this wave 2, but this did not happen yet. Potentially, anyway, if you are in an impulse, you would like to reach the 1.618 only as a wave 3, meaning you would like to see this wave 5 extending after hitting a very low area for the wave 4. So, this scenario, of course, still might be possible. We're reaching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe here for a wave C. And it might be, of course, a wave 3 as well. Therefore, we can call 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You expect a large wave 4, by the way. Reaching the 1.618, of course, is a higher potential start to give, of course, for the impulse. But I still don't like it here as an impulse. Why? Because on the 1 hour chart, the wave 2, if you are in a 1 2 here, the wave 2 of course hit the 886. First reason. Second reason, you have 3 waves towards the upside. I don't see a clear impulse. If you have 1 2 3 4, sorry, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, your wave 5 is truncated, which is a weakness. As you can see, 886 hit. Therefore, higher potential, guys, that this is an A, B, and a C, an extended wave C, that it might reach the 1.618 as a wave C. So that is no also doubt about it so much as a corrective wave still. Now, if we reach the 1.618, I will start to estimate the price here. If we get 3 waves down and continuation, okay, then we have to call a wave 4 and a 5 as an impulse. We don't have any other scenario for it. So basically, I would say the WXY might, of course, extend to this area, guys, as a wave A. For this scenario, and for the impulse here, okay, you anyway want to finish a wave 1, you want to see higher prices anyway, right? So we want to see a finished impulse here, yeah, but a finished impulse, again, to finish an impulse here as 1 2 3 4 5, you need even much more time for this, yeah. So your wave 1 here as an impulse might reach even more time, right, to get it, because you need a very large wave 4 and a 5 even, yeah. So we might even see longer time. So something like this. Basically, this is the impulse in case we are, but I doubt it still. Of course, I need more evidence for this. I need 4 and a 5. So as I always mention, to confirm an impulse, you need to see 1 2 3 4 and a 5 up, 3 waves down, again continuation toward the upside, breaking the high. This is a formation of big wave 1 2, right? And then we confirm, okay, we are potentially in a wave 3 toward the upside, right? In case this happens. So basically, this is the scenario right now. The ending diagonal, of course, still in play, still in the scenario. Don't forget that you are looking as well at an ABC potential for a wave 2 as an ending diagonal after a zigzag down for wave 1. you're looking ABC for wave 2 and potentially moving toward the downside for a wave 3. In this case scenario, you will see, of course, you will see lower prices for this. Let me check for this one, right, as well, which is 3 waves down, while the ending diagonal will require, of course, a bigger zigzag as an impulse correction impulse, right? So these are the possibility right now for Bitcoin. I still see, of course, that we might still get a little bit higher, but of course, moving down is a must in all case scenario, because if you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would like to see 3 waves towards the downside. If you are in A, B, and a C, your wave B also requires 3 waves down. If you are in an ending diagonal towards the downside, you're looking for a big, massive 3 waves down. Therefore, still, the potential of moving toward the downside in this area still, of course, high, and potentially it can be higher for an ending diagonal. Don't forget also to watch the updates on X. We have updated today Render, Injective, and Solana. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.